Have you ever seen water that sparkles like a million stars? This is Sardinia's Tavolara Bay, and it's lit. Every liter of this magical water contains 1 million glowing dinoflagellates, microscopic organisms that pulse light when disturbed. Their secret? A 470 nanometer blue glow, the exact wavelength humans see best in total darkness. Each tiny spark fires 10 million photons per second, enough to light up the night if you stirred a swimming pool full. Here's the mind-blowing part. These same glowing microbes help scientists track cancer cells in real time. Nature's brightest spark isn't just beautiful, it's rewriting medical science. Did you know ice can glow turquoise? Hidden inside Iceland's glaciers lies a frozen secret millions of years in the making. This 4,000-year-old glacier holds layers of ice compressed through millennia, each stratum a frozen time capsule of Earth's climate history. Winter's -20 degrees Celsius -4 degrees Fahrenheit freeze creates 400-meter-thick ice walls, sculpting temporary caves that only form for 6 weeks each year. The mesmerizing blue comes from 10,000+ years of snow compressed into airless ice. The more pressure, the deeper the turquoise glow. But here's the twist, these magical caves vanish by May, melted away before summer arrives to reveal their ancient secrets. Want to see this wonder before it disappears? Nature's most fleeting masterpiece awaits, if you time it right. What if the Blue Nile's electric blue hue isn't just water, it's a 12 billion-ton mineral cocktail. This river mixes 12 billion cubic meters of water with eroded basalt minerals, creating its iconic turquoise color. It plummets 2,000 meters from Ethiopia's peaks to Khartoum, making rapids 3 times faster than average. Every year, it carries 120 million tons of silt, 40% of the entire Nile system's sediment load. But here's the twist, those same minerals drive 90% of the Nile's floods, feeding 100 million people. One river. A geological masterpiece. And scientists still can't fully explain its power. What if you could swim in a sea that sparkles like the Milky Way? Every liter of this magical bay holds over 100,000 microscopic lightmakers. These tiny dinoflagellates light up 200+ nights each year, creating a natural spectacle visible to the naked eye. At just 0.2 millimeters, these single-celled organisms produce light 10 times brighter than our brightest stars. Watch a boat's wake glow from 100 meters away, like liquid stardust trailing across the sea. This living light show reminds us, Earth's mysteries still shine brighter than we imagine. What if you could walk inside a glacier that glows electric blue? These ice caves stretch 120 meters through 300-year-old frozen time, carved by meltwater channels. Temperatures here stay locked at a bone-chilling -2 degrees Celsius, year-round. The electric blue? It's light scattering through 200,000 compressed air bubbles trapped in every liter of ice. In 2021, researchers found an ice axe frozen since 1865, over 150 years trapped in the glacier. What other secrets could this ancient ice still be hiding? What if Australia's rivers could glow like alien oceans? Deep in the Kimberley, one does. This 140-kilometer marvel flows through Western Australia's remote Kimberley region, untouched by modern hands. Its water is so clear, 30 meters visibility, it outshines most seawater. You'd see your hairbrush at the bottom. Dissolved iron and unique light scattering create this electric blue, nature's own neon sign. But here's the mind-blower, at dawn and dusk, when sunlight hits at 55 degrees, it transforms into liquid sapphire. Is this Earth's most beautiful river, or a portal to another planet? Imagine dipping your toe into water that sparkles like 1,000 fireflies, but this isn't magic. It's science, and it's happening in the Bahamas. 1 liter of this bay's water contains 7 million glowing dinoflagellates, microscopic organisms that light up when they sense movement. This makes it one of only 4 major bioluminescent bays on Earth, where each crashing wave puts on a 30-minute light show. The best view? During new moon nights when light pollution drops to 0.0001 lux, darker than a clear moonless sky. But here's the twist, the glow isn't for show. It's a defense mechanism that lures predators to attack their enemies. Nature's greatest trick? Making beauty that's actually a battle cry. Ever seen ice that glows like a UFO? Alaska's Matanuska Glacier holds a secret older than humanity itself. This glacier stretches 25 miles long, bigger than Manhattan, with ice compressed over 40,000 years into solid blue crystal. Inside, temperatures stay a bone-chilling -10 degrees Fahrenheit -23 degrees Celsius year-round, colder than Mars' surface. The electric blue? Sunlight trapped in 300-plus years of snow compression. The longer the freeze, the deeper the hue. And here's the kicker, scientists still can't fully replicate that color, nature's frozen masterpiece. What if Norway's rivers glowed like alien oceans? This 12-mile waterway looks like it was dipped in liquid sapphire. The electric blue comes from glacial rock flour, microscopic particles that turn the water into a cosmic glow. At 40 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, this river's frigid waters preserve ancient glacial ice flowing straight from the mountains. Crystal-clear sections offer 30 feet of visibility, so clear, you'll swear the water isn't there. But here's the mind-blower, its ice caves only form for 6 weeks annually, longer than any Scandinavian glacial river. 6 weeks isn't just a number, it's nature's rarest timing. What other secrets hide in these frozen weeks? What if you could walk inside a glacier that's 10,000 years old? The Khumbu Glacier carves these caves at 5,000 plus meters, higher than Mount McKinley. Over 100 meters of snow compresses into ice, trapping air bubbles that create this electric blue. Sunlight hits the ice at exactly 450 nanometers, absorbing red wavelengths and making the walls glow like liquid sapphires. Each step echoes through ice that's preserved dust from the last ice age, visible in these ancient layers. Scientists call it Earth's oldest frozen time capsule. But could these caves hold secrets about our planet's next climate shift? What if ice could hypnotize you with its glow? These New Zealand caves are 30,000 years old, older than any human writing. Frozen time, sculpted by glaciers. The hypnotic blue? It's light trapped in 100-plus meters of compressed snow, air bubbles squeezed out, leaving liquid sapphire. At a frostbitten -5 degrees Celsius, the ice still pulses with color, like a frozen starfield waiting to be explored. Scientists found air bubbles sealed since 200 BCE, Roman Empire breath still trapped in this ancient ice. Every step deeper feels like diving into a time capsule of Earth's oldest secrets. Did you know 1,000 tons of ice collapse every hour here? This 30 square kilometers glacier is one of the few still advancing as Earth warms, a rare geological defiance. Walk through tunnels where 70-meter thick ice preserves 1,000 years of frozen history and volcanic secrets. The surreal blue? Snow compressed for over a century, squeezing out air until light bends like liquid sapphire. Some ice blocks contain volcanic ash from eruptions 2,000 years ago, solidified time capsules beneath your feet. Imagine walking through frozen medieval air. This ice first trapped sunlight during the height of the Roman Empire. And scientists still can't explain why it glows like this. What if a river glowed 10 times brighter than the Milky Way? Welcome to Lithuania's Vaikai River, where nature defies the stars. This magic happens when Noctiluca scintillans plankton light up, each organism emitting 100,000 photons per second, creating a living neon river. From July to September, moonless nights reveal this spectacle along 12 miles of river, the longest glowing waterway in Europe. But here's what stumps scientists: the glow isn't just plankton. 3 bioluminescent bacteria species in the riverbed work together to amplify the light. A symbiotic light show so complex, researchers still can't replicate it. Nature's secret? Maybe the universe is brighter than we think. Imagine a cave that glows like the Milky Way, but it's alive. Welcome to nature's most dazzling light show. Over 1 million glowworm larvae line these caverns, each emitting a cold blue glow from silken threads that stretch up to 1.5 meters long. Their collective light is 100,000 times brighter than a typical night sky, a spectacle visible from the cavern floor. But here's the twist: the glow isn't for hunting. It's how larvae chat with each other in total darkness. Scientists still can't replicate this natural LED network. What other secrets hide in the dark? The Waitomo glowworm caverns, where nature turns darkness into a cosmic dance. Have you ever seen water that sparkles like magic? Jamaica's luminous lagoon does, with 1 million glowing microbes per second. Each wave stirs over 1 million bioluminescent dinoflagellates, microscopic algae that light up like tiny blue fireworks. These microbes emit light at 470 nanometers, the exact wavelength deep-sea fish use to communicate in the ocean's darkest depths. The lagoon's brightest displays happen during new moons, when light pollution drops a staggering 80%. Here's the mind-blowing part: these microbes only flash when threatened, a defense strategy perfected over 65 million years. Nature's ultimate light show, where every splash writes a 65-million-year-old survival story in blue.